This dance is called Fall Away, choreographed by Simon Wall and Esmeralda VD Paul. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate level, rolling count line dance. Let's one restart in this dance. Section 1, starting with your right foot, back and drag your left foot, back, half turn right, stepping forward. Quarter turn right, stepping to side, behind, side, cross. Step left foot forward to left diagonal and hitch your right foot. Now facing 730. Back, back, back rock, open your body, recover, 1-8 turn left, side rock, square up to 6 o'clock, 1-8 turn left, recover, now facing 430. Next session, right foot forward and kick your left foot, back, quarter turn right, stepping to side, back to 730. Step forward and make a half turn right, keep weight on your left foot. Put weight on your right foot. Make another half turn right, stepping back, another half turn right, stepping forward with a sweep. Forward rock and lift your right foot into a sailor step. Behind, side, side, square up to 12 o'clock. Another sailor step. Behind, side, side. Section 3. Back with a sweep, behind, quarter turn right, stepping forward, step forward and make a half turn right, keep weight on your left foot. Put weight on your right foot, make another half turn right, stepping back. Big back step and drag your left foot into a coaster step, forward with a sweep, weave, quad, side, behind. Section 4, side rock, full turn to your left. Quarter turn left, recover, half turn left, stepping back, quarter turn left, stepping to side and sweep your right foot. Quad, side, behind. Side rock, quarter turn right, recover and hitch your left foot. Step left foot forward, step right foot forward and make a half turn left, keep weight on your right foot. Put weight on your left foot. For next wall, make a half turn left, stepping back. Last step. Now let me show you the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and R, 7, 8 and R. 1, 2 R, 3, 4 and R, 5, 6, 7, 8 R, then 1 for next wall. There's one restart in this dance. On wall 3, you dance up to 8 count with a change step, then restart the dance. Now let me show you the wall 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 R, 3, 4 and R, 5, 6 R, 7, 8. Recover, square up to 6 o'clock and hit your right foot. Then continue next wall. 1. That's the dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.